In this video, we will discuss surface profiles. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file surfaceprofiles.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this Dataset video. Civil 3D provides tools to create profiles that will read a surface. Navigate to the Home tab, Create Design Panel, Profile dropdown, and let's click on Create Surface Profile. So the first thing we want to do is let's create a profile of our existing road. We'll make sure we have Combined EG selected and click on Add here. One thing to note as well is you can actually add sample offsets that will also dynamically read the surface that you're selecting here. If you wanted to go left, you would type a negative number and positive would be on the right side. Let's scroll to the right, click on here, make sure we're using existing ground profile, and click OK. We'll go ahead and click on the Draw in Profile View button. This opens up the Create Profile View dialog box. This is a wizard, so let's go through the different sections. First, let's verify that our profile view style is set to no grid. We'll click Next here. You notice how you can change a station range if you'd like to. Click Next. You can also change the minimum maximum height for the profile view. Let's scroll to the right and verify that no labels will be displayed for this profile as it is a surface profile and you would not want labels to be displayed at every single vertice. Click Next. You could apply a band set. This would be for something like existing finished grade elevations. We don't need it for this profile view, so we'll just make sure we have no bands set. If we had any hatching that we wanted to show a specific area between two surfaces, this is a pretty cool way to add it, but we don't have that, so let's go ahead and click on Create Profile View. Click somewhere above the existing alignment, and there's our surface profile. Let's create another one for the bypass. So we'll go ahead and click on Profile, Create Surface Profile, and again, we'll have Combined EG. Let's make sure we have Bypass 1 selected this time. Click Add, scroll to the right, and make sure that Existing is being used for the existing ground profile. Let's click on the Draw in Profile View button. Again, we have the Create Profile View dialog box. Let's just navigate to the Data Bands category, and let's change this to EG/FG elevations and stations, as this is something that we will need for this profile view. We'll go ahead and click on Create Profile View, and let's go ahead and just place it somewhere below the bypass alignment. Now, as you can see, we've put it kind of in the way of the roadway. This, of course, is incorrect. To move a profile view along with the profile, make sure you select the profile view itself, and then pick the blue grip that appears, and then, of course, you can move it that way. That moves everything within it. Let's look at an additional tool that's pretty cool when working with profiles. Let's say I wanted to see this existing ground on this profile view so that later on when I start doing design, I have the elevations from this existing roadway centerline. To do so, simply select the profile view first, and in the contextual ribbon, you'll see the Superimposed Profile tool. Go ahead and click on that tool. Again, when you don't know what to do, look to the command line window. It's asking you to select a source profile. This is the profile. Don't forget, not the profile view. This is the profile that we want to put in there. Then it says, select the destination profile view. We'll go ahead and pick the destination profile view, and then you can tell Civil 3D what's your accuracy for the horizontal and vertical mid-ordinate distances. We'll just click OK, and there is the superimposed existing centerline. If you wanted to change the actual style for this one, we'll go ahead and press Escape, select it, navigate to the Properties palette, and right in the Style dropdown, let's say we'll give it a offset centerline. Press Escape, and there is our superimposed centerline for the existing roadway. What's great about these surface profiles, if any changes are made to the existing ground, these surface profiles will update automatically.